what comes after that. Nuclear war could trigger a nuclear winter that might kill billions, maybe even completely collapsing our civilization.
Papa, yesterday in school, we learned how our world is built on the foundations of past civilizations. But what if a nuclear war happens and wipes everything out? How would we start over?
That's a big question, my dear. If a full-scale nuclear war happened, civilization as we know it would collapse instantly. The first few years would be complete chaos, radiation, food shortages, disease. Most cities would be uninhabitable.
But let's say people survive. What happens next?
The first 50 years would be about survival. People would form small groups, families, tribes, maybe some organized communities. The biggest problem would be trust. People would hoard food, water, and resources, afraid to share. Survival instinct would take over, and violence would be common. Without law and order, those with power, strength or weapons would dominate.
That means knowledge wouldn't spread. If everyone is isolated, how would civilization ever come back?
Exactly. In past collapses, like after the fall of the Roman Empire, Europe entered the Dark Ages. Most knowledge was lost because people were too focused on surviving. It took almost 1,000 years before learning and science truly revived during the Renaissance. If a nuclear war happened today, it might take even longer.
But back then, people still had land, animals, and clean water. If